Hey guys, welcome back for another wash day video. For today's video, we're going to be doing my post relaxer wash day routine. So let's get into it. To start off, we're going to pre-poo, and to do this, I'm using my Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense Bond Mender pre-treatment. I really like this as an alternative to Olaplex. It's more affordable. It has incredible slip. I am going to be using my Tangle Teaser brush to detangle my hair. We're going to pretend that I am 1 week post relaxer in this video, but in reality, I am about 3 to 4 weeks post. I was extremely busy after I got a relaxer, so I didn't get to do my post relaxer wash day routine. I'm going to get it done, even if it's 4 weeks later. So that's what we're doing today, but we're going to pretend it's 1 week. So during this entire time that I've been unable to wash my hair, I had my hair into braids or twists, hence the wavy look of my hair. I just kind of braided it up and put it away until I got around to washing it. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 4 sections per usual, splitting each section into 2 and making sure that my product gets applied everywhere. Now that we're all done, I'm going to go under my hooded dryer for 10 minutes and we're going to come back to shampoo. I am back and I'm going to shampoo with my Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Shampoo. I'm keeping my twist in. It makes washing my hair so much easier. My hair is less prone to tangles, and for the first wash, there's not really much of a lather. It's just to remove any product buildup. So I'm being gentle with my hair, y'all. This is just sped up. In the second wash is where I cleanse my scalp, cleanse my hair, all that fun stuff, and then we're off to deep condition. Using my microfiber hair wrap, I squeezed out the excess water out of my hair, and my hair is nice and detangled and we're ready to deep condition. I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Mask. I have just a little bit left in this one, so I do have a backup on hand. So we're gonna see how far this one gets me. The process remains the same. I split my hair into 4 sections and then I divide each section into 2 subsections and apply my deep conditioner. So this first jar got one side of my hair done, and I don't waste product, y'all. I take the end of my hair and I clean that jar out, and you will be surprised to see how much product was actually left in that jar. I'm not wasting nothing, okay? So there was still a little bit in the bottom, and I'm gonna make sure I get it out too. And now we're all clean. Even in the cap of the new jar, there's product. I take it out and just look how much product was in there. That's a lot. So I make sure I use up all my products. And that's what I love about affordable products, that I can be heavy-handed with them, but I'm still making sure I use all of my stuff, because the longer your hair gets, the more product you're going to use, and you find out that that stuff adds up over time. So, yes, make sure you use up all your products, y'all, because I'm using every bit of mine. Alright, we are all done. I am going to put my heat cap on for 30 minutes while I do some stuff around the house. I love being able to multitask with this microwavable heat cap. So guys, we're back from deep conditioning. I've rinsed my deep conditioner out, and I'm using my favorite combo for roller set, and I'm gonna hit my hair with a little roller set. I usually sleep with my rollers in. I like to air dry them when I'm at home. At the salon, I am forced to sit under the dryer for an entire hour. At home, I don't have to, so I don't. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning when I'm taking these rollers down to show you what my hair looks like. I really have a few roller set tutorials on my channel already. They do need to be updated, but my hair is so much longer now, and I'm very tall. I'm 6 feet tall, so it's hard to get my hair and myself in the frame to show you guys, what my updated roller set routine is like. Products aside, the roller set videos that I already have on my channel in terms of technique remains the same. So I'm taking my hair down. Yeah, I don't roller set for curls, so you won't see any super defined curls. If you want super defined curls, you just use a smaller roller, but I just roller set to get my hair dried straight without direct heat. So I'm going to take advantage of my pre-parted sections, and I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp along the lines that, I parted for my roller set. And this scalp oil mixture is my personal blend. I will leave the oils that I use in the description box below. I love a good scalp massage. A scalp massage is always so relaxing. It's like the perfect way to just fall asleep. I always love doing this. Okay, y'all, so at this point, I'm really just playing with my hair. It feels so nice and soft. Yes, my hair feels revived, and I am a happy camper right now. Getting ready to moisturize and seal my hair, I'm going to be using my favorite combo, my African Pride Olive Miracle Hair Lotion, along with my ORS Heat Defense Mist. I like to be very light-handed with my moisturizer at this point because I don't want to weigh my hair down too much, but I just want to give it a boost of moisture. So that combination works perfectly for me right now. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair. I do have a video tutorial of how I wrap my hair on the channel already. The only thing were two things in the video that just needs to be cleared up. One of them is that I don't use the oil that you'll see in that video anymore. And second, I said I believe I use the oil to moisturize my hair. Oils do not moisturize. I meant to say that I use the oil to tame any frizz or fly away. Other than that, the video in terms of technique still remains the same. So I'm not sure if I should do an updated version. If you guys want an updated version, let me know in the comments. But yeah, other than that, I literally do the same thing. Let me know in the comments if you guys still want an updated video. Every video that I've talked about in this video, I will leave everyone in the description box below as well as in the cards. I am using a snap clip to hold my hair versus a hairpin because I find that hairpins snag my hair. A snap clip works perfectly. It leaves no dents, no marks or anything like that when I get up in the morning. So it's fine for me. You can use whichever one works best for your hair, or you can use no snap clips or hairpins at all. So guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.